Hello everyone, myself Bharat Dharmendra Singh. I have completed my BTech in 2021 and I have experience for more than 2 years in field of non-IT industry. After completing my BTech, I wanted to switch my career in IT industry. So one of my friend suggested me to join the STAD solution for software testing training. After having a word with the STAD solution team, I joined the software testing course in manual and automation both. And during my training, I learned about how to create the test cases, test scenarios, bug reports, Selenium with Java, SDLC and STLC processes that are followed in an IT industry. During my training, I got placed at Silvertouch Technologies Limited. Special thanks to Richa ma'am and Ajay sir. I highly recommend to join the STAD solution as a software tester to make your career in an IT industry. Thank you.